Hello, my name is David Mackey, Sales Director for Respirex International. Today we are going to show you the Respirex new product, FlowPod. You will receive this in one box, complete with a hood. When you open the box, you'll find 5 items. First of all, a particulate P3 filter, a grey waste belt, an intelligent charger, the actual Respirex FlowPod unit, and last, the actual battery pack which powers the unit. We are now going to demonstrate how to fit the FlowPod into the hood. You would have received with the FlowPod samples a PVC hood complete with a full instruction leaflet. The first stage is to unscrew the locking nut off the FlowPod unit and the washer. You then place the FlowPod unit into the hood, making sure the blue cable is facing downwards. You then introduce the washer and then the locking nut. You screw on that firmly and then use the spanner just to finally tighten into the hood. You then introduce the P3 particulate filter onto the FlowPod in a firm manner. The blue cable now has to go through the eyelet onto the inner skirt. Pull through completely. You then now fit the internal waste belt onto the battery pack. This slides through the back of the pack, fastening the buckle to the belt. You now then introduce the cable into the FlowPod battery pack. Push the orange button once, and now the whole unit is self-calibrating. This takes approximately 1 to 2 minutes while the whole unit carries out its performance check. Once the performance check is completed, a green light will appear on the FlowPod inside the hood. All the time you see a flashing red light, do not use the hood. Wait until the green LED light is fixed permanently on the FlowPod and the unit now can be used. My colleague is now going to demonstrate how to put the whole unit on. First of all, the grey waste belt is put around the waist and fastened tightly. We recommend that the FlowPod is used on the left hip of the operator. The hood now is introduced, put over the head, and inside there is a drawstring which can be fastened around the operator's neck. You then pull the hood down from the rear using the red straps. This can be done quite firmly, and then around the front, tightening the buckles up. The hood now can be used. The FlowPod runs at 130 litres per minute. It has excellent all-round vision and freedom of movement, and it is lightweight and comfortable. There are alarm systems on the hood. There is a low flow and filter blocking warning, and also a low battery warning. My colleague is now showing a filter blocking. You will now see the red LED. If the red LED is shown at all, the hood must not be used until it turns to green. All details can be found on flowpod.com, and I thank you very much indeed for listening to this presentation.